What's up, guys? My name is Lucia Pule, but you can just say LB. Alright, so my topic for today is swag. Alright, so what is swag? Most of you think that swag is like wearing your trousers at the edge, and making them to swag. No, that is not swag. Yeah. Alright, so swag is like being awesome and just being super duper cool. Yeah. And it's like you have to make yourself look nice, you know what I mean? You have to take care of them and make them look sparkling all the time. And you have to be like a respectful person. You have to respect others, and you have to have confidence in yourself. And just be real, you know what I mean by real, right? Just accept yourself and know that you are an important person and know that you are a special person, and stop imitating people, okay? Just stop that, because that's not good. You are yourself and you will never be anyone, and no one's going to be you, so just have to be yourself. And one thing you should know that is that one thing you should know that is oh my goodness, no, okay. One thing you should know is that no one can compare with you, okay? You are just you, and that's it. As for me, the one word that I use to describe myself is special person. Yeah.